You have a lot of financial courses, lot of financial programs out there, and they're telling you handle your finances right. They're telling you save money. They're telling you invest, but no one is showing you how. And I discovered this from a point of me being in a dire situation when I realized I just kept on receiving all this information, but nobody was showing me how. And that is what led me to this situation where I created a signature coaching program. Now, if, for instance, you're in a situation where you're facing economic challenges, you're in debt, you're in dire financial need, or perhaps you need insights into how you can get out of a financial hurdle or financial limiting belief or something that has hindered you from making money, from achieving your financial goals, then this program is designed for you exactly. Now, what we did is we broke it down into 4 essential steps. The first being discovery. Now, what we're going to do is take a deep dive into your personality, understand who you are, understand why you make these financial decisions. Next thing we're going to do is declutter. Some limiting beliefs. There's some deep enshrined beliefs that had hindering you from reaching your financial goals. We're going to get rid of all of that. We're going to declutter that. And then we're going to decipher. Decipher is where we take a deep dive into the financial jargon. So all the technical terms you keep hearing in finances, we're going to break it down. It's very easy to understand and absorb. And then last, but most importantly, we're going to empower you. We're going to empower you with a document that shows you how you can achieve your financial goal. Now, this is a program that is designed for you if perhaps you're in any one of these circumstances that I've mentioned, and I suggest you start now. Let's start.